Mga kaibigan, isang magandang araw. Good morning. It's around 3:36 a.m. in the morning, August 23, 2025. We are just doing our tour of duty right now as a radio operator of the certain station here. Mga kaibigan, I would like to ask some of you that mayroon naman nagtatanong dito sa atin na ang Sabbath day raw ay wala daw sinasabi ang Diyos na kung saan ay hindi raw tayo pumunta ng simbahan, ganon. So I do not like to say everything, but the Bible can say about that. If you are a Bible readers, if you are a Bible broad readers, mga kaibigan, makikita nyo po yan na Sabbath day, no, mga kaibigan. Kahit saan nyo babasahin, lumang tipan, bagong tipan, kahit naman yung pinakakaraan ng mga Biblia, wala pong ibang minimension ho yung Diyos dyan, because Sunday is the first day, no, is the first day. Ganon po yun. Mababasa po natin yan, but I do not like to argue everything about you. Kasi nasa Biblia po yun, nasa Leviticus, yun mababasa ang iba at marami pang iba. Hindi lang ho ang giingon sa Ginoo, ang sinasabi niya na isa po yung nagpapatunay na kung saan ay pagpapahinga ho natin. Kasi doon sa mga lumang tipan ho, mga kaibigan, kung mababasa ho natin, even Jesus Christ ay po ng mga mga unang tao doon, sapagkat ayaw nilang malalabag po ang araw ng pagpapahinga. Yan po ang sinasabi doon sa Biblia. At wala po tayong ibang sinasabi ho dito. Just look at the Bible, just read the Bible, understand the Bible. Because you cannot understand the Bible if you are reading and literally, words by words, to apprehend on it. Just to take on wisdom by God. Just to take for the understanding by the Spirit. Kasi yung iba, pagtatalunan pang ganun. So, we just to stick to the time if we are going to be believe on that certain things, and then you believe it, discovered it. Ganun ho, mga kaibigan. Wala namang makukuha sa atin kung pupunta tayo doon sa simbahang Sunday ang kanilang wala naman, di ba? Wala naman. Just to understand lang. Just open our mind, just open everything in this world. If we believe God in ourselves, just believe it. Ganun lang ho. Hindi po natin ibig sabihin kayo yung tama, mali yung sa amin, mali yung sa kanila. Because church is a people who are believing in God faithfully. It's about faith. It's our belief, mga kaibigan. Wala tayong sinasabi dito na mali sila lang yung maliligtas, kami hindi. Isa naman yung kalukuhan, mga kaibigan. There is only one God. Pag tayo pinamamatay lahat, wala na akong babalik dito. Ilang taon nang nangyayari yan, wala pang bumabalik. Ganun ako, mga kaibigan. Just believe God. Just we believe God in ourselves. Ano po yung natatamo natin sa buhay, natatamasa natin, just believe God. Just pray on it, mga kaibigan. Do not be make to ourselves to be an arrogant for everything that we have done, that we have received. That's it. All these things in this universe was given by God. There is only one God, mga kaibigan. Be mind you.